Hey every blobby, how are we all? I'm doing well, because I figured out what was wrong with the screen last time. You may remember that previously I didn't notice until kind of a ways in that there was like some weird screen ratio problem where it was like not aligned correctly and like was slightly too big. I figured out what the problem with that is. This game switches between 50Hz and 60Hz. It doesn't save it if you leave. Like if you shut the game down, you have to reset it every time. So that changes like the, not quite the aspect ratio, but definitely the resolution of the screen. So I just had to adjust that. But I figured it out now, so we should be fine. Anyway, we're back here with Ratchet, Clank, and we need to cover this guy because he can get us to a jet fighter, apparently, that this resort just kind of has, as one does.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Let's fill up on all of this good stuff because I've noticed that we don't have much ammo. So, oh, just leave these here. So, we were having a bit of trouble with that last time. And where the hell, where'd he go? Oh, he followed me all the way back up there. Okay. Right. So we need to cover this guy and get him to the hangar, so that we can use the fighter, I assume, to shoot down all of these goo spreaders. Okay, let's have the bomb glove at the ready. Okay, that's good. That's more like it. Water. God knows what's down there. I could do with some health. Oh, that's convenient. Nope. There we go. Let's get some friends up there to clean house before we go up there. Get 'em, boys. Play this kind of safe. Kill the whole bunch. So, steady. Remember from last time, we can't use the minion bot to get these guys because it just falls off and immediately deletes. This does the trick though. Oh shit, I keep forgetting it takes 2 melee strikes to kill this thing. I'm so happy there's no self-damage. All of that money, because there's a bunch of new guns, and they're all very expensive. We can... Okay, this thing does have a hard upper range. Tell you what though, this bomb gun is pretty damn powerful and comes with quite a spectacular mechanism. Oh yeah, we got here before. Let's get all that. No, not the trespasser. Alright. I think that was a whopping 50 bolts. 50 bolts that was. The great British pastime of... Dang it. Leg it for the health. Got it. Damn it! It's gonna make me go all the way back to the start. And it doesn't give you your ammo back.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
What are you calling Fuzzball? Alright, let's try that again then. Don't even care that this is like not in the least bit money efficient. Oh, cool. That seems fair. It'd be cool if, like, there was at least a little bit of a refractory period in between, like, a little bit of a breather in between them attacking and then being able to attack again. That seems not great, if I'm honest. Something... Let's try and mix it up a little bit. The minion glove doesn't seem to work too well here, so let's swap out for some Flammenwerfer. So we can werf some Flammen. Are you not coming? Oh no, there's one fish. It was apparently so threatening I forgot about it. Come on, Chunky. We gotta move. Can do this. Turn on the spot. If there's any one feature from the later games that I miss, it's being able to strafe and lock on people. Oh hey, we actually made it all the way over here without taking any damage. Oh wow, it still works while you're wasting water. Alright. That stays. That all stays got, so we don't need to keep grinding. As much as I'd like to, so I can get that 150 bloody thousand for the rhino. We want some fried sushi. The least bit ammo efficient, but I don't care. Alright, I think this is the furthest we've made it. Ready. Don't have much ammo. Blast it. Let's keep it moving. Pin the throttle, man. Get out of here, don't you? Oh great, now they're just falling out the bloody sky. That wrist position, what is that? Hoppa. Okay. Bomb glove ready, because that's the thing I'm almost ammo for. Whoa. That's a weird... That's very strange. Okay. This looks important. It seems like the best way to do it is to just hold your ground with the flamethrower. Let's pillage this place for bits. Wow, nothing. Okay. Wow, that must have been expensive. And more fish. We don't have that. Oh crap, I don't have the ammo for this. I have to advance carefully, because if I die now, I get sent all the way back to the start. Oh, hang on. Why is this conjured up? Why is this area conjuring up a memory? I think we get the jetpack sometime soon. Like, we have the helipad, but I think we get upgraded to the jetpack. That button there seems very familiar to me for some reason.
We're here. Now where's that fighter?
Right there in that locked garage. One tourist crashes a jet and wham! Lawsuit.
That lock is unlike any I have seen.
Very astute observation, Mr. Shiny. I can't open it either. I don't trust the tourist, and the board of directors don't trust me. So we have a little problem.
We have a little problem. I just want the O2 mask. So if you can't open up the lock, that's your problem. Now cough up the mask.
Well, I can see that you really wanted to fly our jet. So I'll tell you what. Go talk to Bob at his Robo Shack. He knows about these locks.
Alright. Some bloody ammo at last. But there's a vendor around somewhere. Yeah, don't scratch your nose.
Well, what have we got here? Hey, watch it. I recognize that work. Y'all been to Seattle, ain't you?
Yeah, he installed the helipack.
I can see that. I taught that idiot brother of mine everything he knows. Look, if you want some real hardware, I can fix this little feller up with a thruster pack.
Will it help us get past that weird lock by the fighter garage?
Ah, you know about those gizmos,
Backing away
Well,
slowly.
It sure as heck will. It's got a real special power slam move built right in.
It's a good thing I need this to get to that jet, or you'd be out of luck, pal.
Jeez. You're getting worse and
I've
worse.
got it. I'll have you fixed up faster than a horny toad a hopping. Now there you are, little buddy. Better than new. That's right. I am the man.
Yeah, not bad.
Alright, thruster pack. Let's give this baby a test. Okay. About the same sort of... Wow. Definitely more lateral. Like, definitely move forward more with this thing. Up looks about the same. Okay, gadgets, here we go. How does one... Items...
Yeah!
Ah! You can chain up into a forward. Alright, well how do you... Nope. How do you do the slam attack?
With the thruster pack, you can power slam switches like these by jumping and then pressing the R1 button.
Could have told me before I was standing on the button. Ooh! This looks spicy.
Press the square button to fire the machine guns, and press the circle button to fire homing missiles.
Alright, we're playing.
To go
Whoa,
faster,
hard left.
hold down the X button.
Let's play some Centipede, looks like. Wow, this thing's got a wide turning zone. This one's starting to return fire. Hold still. Wow, this thing takes a while to lock on. Ah, okay. Oh, hi there. Ah, killing the little dudes gives fighters, gives missiles. Whack. No brakes though, it seems. Do you mind? I'm trying to line up a missile. Damn it. Ah, it also gives you health. There was definitely a red cross on that box. God, there's so many of them. Two more. There you are. Wow, the missiles seem to be stone useless if you don't lock them on. Leave off. Yeah, you see that just completely sail by. Bit by bit, they're gonna run out of... Wow, he crashed into his friend there. They are eventually gonna run out of these little fighters, surely. Looks like missiles can't lock onto them at all. Ah, that in the bottom right is the health bar. Got it. I saw it just go down a little bit when I crashed into that. Yeah, and it just went up again. Right, okay. Man, I never realised how
Well,
little
I guess
PS2
that should do
games
it.
tell you shit.
Here you go.
It's about time.
Alright, O2 mask. So now we just have infinite air, I assume. Now we've got to go explore the other spot. I'm going the right way, aren't I? Yeah, I think so. So let's see. Whoa! Doing some crazy flips with this stuff. Yep, now we just have permanent air underneath. Oh hey. Well, he would have been helpful a while ago. I'd spotted that thing. No use for it. Up me again. Up me again. Where's... Is it that big building up there? No. Sort of in this direction. Ah, there's a lower section there. Gotta keep an eye out for stuff underwater as well. Looks like there's plenty of stuff down there. No sharks, though. I was expecting there to be a whole lot of murder as well. Okay, I'm apparently underneath it. Oh, hang on. Huh, okay. I was expecting there to be an underwater door or something. Hang on. Missions. Check out the resort. Da-da-da. Do some exploring. Okay, that doesn't help. Alright, let's go back over here. Looks like there's something kind of in this direction. Some money, certainly take that, and we do need to visit the vendor again to fill up on ammunition, because we are completely empty on 2 of my mainstay weapons. There we go. Blaster.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
And the flamethrower. There we go. Okay. Ah, the sewers, yes. Don't hold on to it. Right, so we should just be able to explore freely. We're probably not going to need the swing shot, so let's get the hydro displacer. Can't use anything while we're down here. Ah, here we go. So, explore around. Oh, more of these boys. Okay, hydro displacer. I wonder what it is, now that I think about it, that PS2 and PS1 era games just seem to have so fewer bugs than... Oh god, I can't see the lower half because it's under bloody water. But I have to wonder what it is about, like, PS2 and games of that era, where bugs just didn't seem to be that much of a thing. What they are nowadays, where freaking everything's bugged all to hell. Okay, gotta get the water back up. God, you're so slow! I hope we get like a kind of underwater jetpack or something. Hydro. Is there something to move a little quicker underwater, you know? Yeah, because right now nothing I press makes me go any faster. This is my absolute maximum swim speed. Weapon at the ready, please. This is how you do it. Get all kited. Oh crap, up and over. Oh. Alright. I should probably go back and get some health. I know that's a bit slow, but I'd rather go in with at least 2 hits worth rather than just the 1. Yeah, there's no way you'd be able to just, like, brute force this section without the O2 mask. There we are. And there was some metal to be detected over there, so let's have that ready. Yeah, I don't know why that button struck a note so much with me. I had, like, as I've said, I've never played this game, and to my memory, that feature does not show up in any of the other games. Man, there's a lot of just loose bolts down here in the sewers. Good grief, there's so much. Alright, there we go. Let's have our punchy levers ready. That'll be fun. Oh wow, with the jetpack, the double jump actually makes you go higher. Took long enough. Alright, let's jimmy some more doors. Yep. Something. There we go. Just try enough different iterations, eventually you'll get it right. Once again, so happy there's no self-damage in this game. Who's putting these highly unstable explosives down here in the sewers? Those rats must be resilient little fuckers. Yeah, this part alone you will never get through without the O2 mask. Oh yeah, tapping. Oh god. Even tapping R1 I can't, like, engage the bloody booster to try and go faster. How much more is there down here? Okay, this is the home stretch, kind of. At our going rate of acquiring cash, there is no way in hell we are ever going to get the Rhino during, like, standard game. Now you boys, let's just completely fill this place with grenades. There we are, and now let's get them. Glove of Doom. Have fun, lads. Man, this thing again, I keep saying this. I'm amazed I've never used the Glove of Doom more because it shows up a lot in the other games. Amazed I haven't used it more because it's so weirdly good. What? Yeah, it's gotta be that one. Oh hell. Is this gonna break my mind? I feel like it is. There we go. Hi, strange monkey-looking thing.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm searching for a very elusive and secret substance.
Raritanium?
Maybe?
The oceans on this planet are said to be an excellent source of that element.
Well, not anymore. All that toxic dumping has obscured any trace of it. You
Here you
will
are, not wearing a
find
hat.
Raritanium for me.
No, I will not.
Piece of junk. My latest invention, the Persuader. I intended to use it to control minds, but, well, the only thing it's got me so far is a discount from Gadgetron vendors.
Hey, I could use that.
Well, I'll trade it for some Raritanium.
I believe planet Hoven is a source of that element.
Our long-range sensors do not
Okay.
detect raritanium on this planet. Our database indicates that the easiest to locate this element is on planet Hoven.
Alright, well we'll have to keep him in mind in case we ever find that stuff. Raritanium. And I thought it was stupid when they talked about unobtainium in Avatar. James Cameron's Avatar, not the cartoon. Dang it, just
I
short.
got some great bargains for you.
Come on, get in. Oh, actually, do we even have... Yeah, trade Raritanium. Yeah, we're done here. So now, since as we have the O2 mask, we can go back to the polluted planet and explore a little more thoroughly. Yeah, here we go. Explore as Ratchet. I'm kind of wondering just like how much more of this game is left, because when I played through like Prince of Persia, that was over in about 8 hours, I think, was about how long this lasted. I think we're up to 10 on this one now. Oh yeah, that's where we were exploring as exploring as Clank before, was that?
I got
new
some
here.
great bargains for you today.
Wow! You just plow right through that stuff, huh? Okay. Am I reading this map right? I think so. Launch! Hi. Oh crap. We're doing this again, hey? Don't build a parry into the bloody thing's damage animation. That's just... I get that most of the weapons in this game are, like, ranged, but... And you still use melee attacks, you know. Seagulls. Bastards. Ugh. Huh, they look familiar, now that I notice it. They look a whole lot like Jak and Daxter's precursor relics, the power thingies. Power cores, that's what they were called. Hi, Adrian. Gadget lets you use DualShock 3 and 4 with the PS2. Really? Colour me intrigued, because all I've got is this old PS1 controller that I've been putting to use, and some games really don't like that.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Alright, the decoy glove. This strikes me as becoming imminently useful. $40? Woof! That sounds... That's a bit steep for... Oh shit, I didn't even realise you were there. Hi, friend. Let's try this out. Oh, okay, it doesn't even deal damage, it's literally just an aggro trial. Yeah, $40 is a bit steep for something that might not even be all that useful. I guess, yeah, you gotta make the money where you can find it. Probably don't get that many people demanding one. Oh my goodness. Dang it. Alright. Point taken, don't go that way.
I got some great...
Shush. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, 2 hits. Oh crap. Completely screwed that up. These stupid things have damage gating on them, why? There we go. Ugh. You can tell with certain parts of this, like, that this was very much the, oh crap, early days of games design. Let's just leave those guys. No, come back! Oh, you fucker. Let's just leave those things alone. Excuse me. I hope I'm going the right way, because I have really no idea. That was one of the Quest for Booty, that was one of the PS3 spin-offs, wasn't it? One of the sort of side games that they made. Because if so, never played that one. Oh boy, how am I meant to get through here? Oh, they're swinging. Aha! Right. Gadgets. A bridging game of sorts. Standalone expansion for Tools of Destruction. Yeah, Tools of Destruction was one of the PS3 games. Basically, like, the only frame of reference I have there was I played the demo for a cracking time and felt that the game felt it was rather pretentious because it was trying to paint Clank as some kind of mystical chosen one, which I really didn't buy. Crap. Oh, really? Ugh. Okay, we need to...
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Okay, I'm going to take just a very quick second because I need to fill up on water. I'll be right back. Alrighty, and we're back. It's very suddenly gotten warm around here. It's weird because I live in the north. Okay, I'm just gonna leave these guys alone. Yeah, it seems if you're quick enough, you can just run right by them. Those blue things will, like, wake them up. Oh yeah, something that I remember, I kind of vaguely remember about the story in the Ratchet Clank games is that Ratchet is supposed to be like the last member of a species that completely died out. Like his entire race is supposed to be extinct apart from him. Oh yeah, 4-player co-op game. What was that one called? It had a really good one for all, I think, something like that. No, all for one. That was it. Yeah, that was it. But anyway, what was I talking about? In the sort of broader narrative of Ratchet and Clank, Ratchet is supposed to be the last member of a completely extinct species. But his dad shows up in one of the games, and 2 other Lombaks also show up in Ratchet and Clank 3. Like, one of them is a ship captain, and the other one was like some blue person. Whoa. If you hold the button down, it goes all sorts of weird. Now I need more ammo, because it doesn't give me ammo back!
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Ugh. But yeah, I never quite bought that. Like, Ratchet's supposed to be the last member of the species, but it never comes up, and every time it does, they kind of retcon it. Okay. You want to explain that to me, game? What the hell? Why can't I make that jump now? I've done it like 4 times. There we go. Did you put a checkpoint all the way back here? Stupid seagulls, go away. I don't have any chips for you. Okay, I need to just re-equip the swing shot. There we go. Oh, damn it. I fat-fingered the button. I'm not even going to pretend that that was that was the game there. I literally just mashed my hand wrong. Yeah, I'm racking my brains in the background here, because I definitely very distinctly remember that at some point it is mentioned that Ratchet is supposed to be like the last Lombax. But I'm pretty sure, I cannot remember the names for the life of me, but two show up in Ratchet and Clank 3, and I'm pretty sure one shows up in one of the PS3 games. I think it's a crack in time, because they make a whole deal out of it being... run like hell. Just keep moving, don't even slow down. Oh, son of a bitch, it's right there! Don't put... No! Angela Cross, that was the one. Yeah, and her dad was like
I got some great
the
bargains for you
president
today.
or something, and he did this like ridiculous Bill Clinton affectation that I didn't get when I was 10 because I had no idea who Bill Clinton was. See, this is the part where, like, you come out and say that I'm completely wrong, and she's not actually, like, neither of them are actually Lombax. I'm pretty sure they certainly look like them in my memory. Expecting completely wrong. I think I've yet to make it through this section without getting hit. Whoa. Dismount. You hit me when I can't hit you. Yeah, shoot the guy who's attacking you, Ratchet. For fuck's sake. Alright, let's get the minion glove out and try that. Because that's how we beat these guys before. Nice, okay. There we are. This entire goddamn part with 1 health. Let's try playing it a little more safe and cautious, rather than just wildly sprinting through. Yeah, there we go, because if we kill the little squeakers, then they don't wake up. Oh crap. No! I got the health! Ah! Jesus. Whoever design this
got some
game, I
great
want their
bargains
head
for
on a
you today.
spike. Whoever thought that it was a great idea to have all of these incredibly difficult to fight enemies with one checkpoint? You, sir, I hope you have learned your lesson. Again, not gotten through this bit without getting hurt. Oh, yep, dead again. That acid stuff is just a static texture. Doesn't actually move at all. So I'm wondering, once we get to that last bit again, thinking that we might just completely... Oh, that's unfair. Just completely saturate it with minions, just like little dudes. Just let them go completely crazy. Okay. So they wait. Yeah, they do go to sleep after a little while. Okay. Doesn't look like he's got any friends. Crap. No! Okay. Now. Glove of Doom. Have fun, boys. Oh, really? It touched the wall, so the shot didn't count. Something better be dead. Alright. Finally made it through. 6 goddamn tries. Oh no! Guarantee you there's no checkpoint here. Give me ammo. Stupid infobot, get back here! Whoa, okay. This is new. Finally, checkpoint. Jesus Christ. Black screen. Don't die on me now. Hello? No, please no. Come on. Shit. Please. Please, please, please tell me that it hasn't just died. Come on, I got the game repaired. I got the disc fixed up because this had happened with Ratchet and Clank 2. Yep, it's just not coming back. Okay, hang on. Let's switch over to that splash card, and we'll reset it. And we'll just have to hope. Well, that's good. What's wrong with it now? Disk could not be read. Alright. That's not an expletive I've ever heard before, Adrian. Okay, yeah, I'll have to sort it out and get us back up to scratch for next time, and I'll see if there's I'll see what I can figure out. There may be a problem, just like, it may just be covered in dust, or what have you. Swear from the Wheel of Time books. Never read those. I hear they're quite good. Anyway, we shall be back another time once this thing actually, like, will behave itself. So, until then, we'll be back on Monday. Until then, thank you, good night, and much love.